I'm so happy right now because जैसे मैं जगी हूँ ना, सनलाइट ऐसे आ रहा है मेरे फेस पे, ऐसे ऐसे, एंड यू कैन सी विदाउट फिल्टर माई I'm dying right now. I'm literally dying. OMG, sunlight is something, you know. See, you can see my hair. Oh God. This is called self-love, you know. Yes. So guys, I'm going to receive some parcel, and I don't remember when I ordered something, but let's see. Maybe it's PR. किस चीज़ का है? हाँ. Thank you. This is PR package. So excited! I'm so excited, guys. I'll let you know what is inside it. Oh, okay. It's from Stud Muffin. Yeah, that. And I just woke up. You can see my things. I just woke up, guys. I just woke up. By the way, I'm in the building. I'm doing. So yeah, I was really woke. तो आज मैंने कुछ खाना नहीं बनाया, एंड आज मैं डोसा खा रही हूँ. So thank you so much Stud Muffin for this PR package, and I'm so excited right now to open up this one. So first, big Poochie, big Poochie to you for giving me this. Okay, so yeah, Stud Muffin India, Nasky by Paras India. Okay, thank you Paras. You're so hardworking man, I know that. So yeah, I'm very excited to open it. So now it's time to open. Big Poochie to all of you from Stud Muffin and from my side also, guys. So yeah, where is that? Okay, here's that. It will take a little bit time, but not. My finger is like this. Yeah, Big Poochie. I heard Paras always said Big Poochie, Big Poochie, Big Poochie to you, my Paras, from my side. So yeah, okay. India's biggest crystal home decor brand, Stud Muffin. Okay. Oh. Okay. What is this inside? All right. Oh, wow. Okay, मैं अभी आप लोगों को ऐसे दिखा देती हूँ. This is the bracelet they send me. Oh my God. Wow, with this. And अभी मैं ऐसे दिखा रही हूँ, बट मैं आपको पहन के अच्छे से दिखाऊंगी. Okay. And you can see, this is the man. This is the owner of this product, you know. Paras. Big Poochie to you. And what inside? What next? What next? What next? Oh, another pendant. Oh my goodness. Can you see? This one is tiger form. Oh my God, I love this. I love this. I love this. And what's another one? Can you see the pendant? This is the bull one. it. OMG. Look at this beauty. Big poochie. I can't forget this big poochie. So guys, I received 3 pendant from Stuffed Muffin and one this beautiful bracelet. You can see I love this bracelet. Literally, I love all product from Stuffed Muffin. Thank you so much for sending me Paras and Stuffed Muffin. I love your product. Okay, so first, so this one is the tiger eye pendant. Inside it, it's a pyrites. Do you know about the pyrites things? They they boost your confidence and courage. Pyrites help you in that way, and I'm 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 lucky to have this right now. I love this. This one. Okay, now second one is bull pendant. You can see this. Can you see bull? I will show you when I will wear it. This one. Okay, guys, this is it. This is my PR package from Stuffed Muffin. I am so blessed today. They gave me so beautiful product today. So yeah, I'm so happy today. Thank you so much, Paras. Thank you so much, Stuffed Muffin, who sent me so beautiful product today. So beautiful pendants and bracelet for me. आप कमेंट करो अच्छे अच्छे, मेरे लिए अच्छा सा पेंडेंट सेलेक्ट करो, फिर मैं आपको वीडियो दिखाऊंगी कि मैंने क्या पहन के गई. बट द थिंग इज़ आई एम सो हैप्पी आप यहाँ तक पहुँचे और यहाँ तक सुन रहे हो मेरे को. ऐसे ही प्यार देते रहो, ऐसे ही मेरे को आगे बढ़ाते रहो. मैं ऐसे ही प्यारा वीडियो आपको दिखाते रहूँगी. मेरे अपनी डेली लाइफ के छोटे छोटे अच्छे मोमेंट्स को मैं आपसे शेयर करते रहूँगी. एंड ऑल्सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. ओके, आई नो बहुत लोग शेयर तो नहीं करते होंगे, बट या सब्सक्राइब कर लो, लाइक कर लो एंड थोड़ा सा ब्यूटीफुल अच्छा सा कमेंट कर दो, जो कि मैं देख कर मुझे अच्छा लगेगा, अप्रिशिएशन फील होगा कि ओके आई एम डूइंग गुड. सो या ये थोड़ा सा कर लो. This is it now. Love yourself, love your skin, do your skin care, love your hair, do your hair care. Okay, because our body is like a temple. जैसा आप भगवान को याद करते हो, भगवान को पूजते हो, साफ़ सफाई करके जाते हो, वैसे हमारे बॉडी है. हमारा बॉडी हमारा मंदिर है. तो आप इसको अच्छे से सर्व करोगे तो अच्छा करके आपको अच्छा फील कराता है, आपको कॉन्फिडेंट फील कराता है, जस्ट लाइक मी. एंड ये मैंने खुद पे देखा है, तब मैं आपको ये ज्ञान दे रही हूँ. मैं ऐसे दुनिया की चीज़ें देखकर सुनकर नहीं ज्ञान दे रही हूँ. ये मैंने खुद में आजमाया हुआ है. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग यू, योर बॉडी इज़ योर टेम्पल. जस्ट वर्शिप लाइक द वे यू worship your God. So yeah, thank you so much guys. Next time I will catch you next time with my another lovely memorable video. Okay, bye bye, take care.